Hi everyone, I'm here today with an Ulta haul, share with you some stuff from Ulta. So I went to Ulta, well I've been there twice. One of the times I went, some of the stuff I got was when I was on my way to Sacramento. I had a baby shower for one of my friends and then I met up with Sam. So her and I went to Sephora together, which we're also filming a Sephora haul together that you subscribe to Sam too. That way you can see the stuff that she got at Sephora and at MAC. And then we're also going to do a foundation review of two of the foundations that we got at Sephora. So make sure you're subscribed. That way you guys don't miss those videos. But today is an Ulta haul, and I wanted to share with you a bunch of stuff that I picked up at Ulta in the last, I don't know, week or so ago. Yeah, about a week or so. And so yeah, if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoyed this video and decide to stay a while. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into the haul. I have been running low on like root lifter. Like I don't have a good root lifter. I'm out. The one that I had, I really don't like. So I was really needing something new. So I picked up a few things. Hopefully one of these will work. If you have a root lifter that you love, please let me know down in the comments below. The first one I picked up is the Living Proof Full Root Lift. I love their dry shampoo. It's one of my favorites. So I thought maybe I will like this. It's just a spray. So we'll see. I've tried it one time and it was okay. So we'll just have to see. Like I got to play with it a few times. So I got that and I'm excited to try it out, see how it works. I also got this root lifting spray, but now I'm seeing that's a volume building foam, which I didn't want foam. So, well, I don't know if it is a foam though. It says foam, but then it doesn't describe it kind of like as a foam in the description of how to use this. So it's the Kenra Root Lifting Spray. So we'll give that a go. There's a lot of Kenra products I really love. I also decided to pick up the Kenra Dry Shampoo. I used to use this in the past and I remember really liking it. And then I got the Blow Dry Spray, which I did use this the other day. You spray it in your hair. It just helps cut down the time it takes to blow dry your hair. Since I have extensions, it can take a long time. So I kind of let it air dry a good portion of the time and then blow dry the rest. And it does kind of help not take as long. So it is three tanning products actually. You guys know I love the Bondi Sands Tan. And so my friend Sam had actually told me about this. It's the St. Maurice, I think, Radiant Glow Face Mist. Now, I have a really hard time having self-tanner stick to my face and to my chest or my neck. It just, for some reason, self-tanner does not want to stick anywhere right in here. So she said that this works really well for that, and I have to agree. You can see I've used quite a bit. I picked this up about 2 weeks ago, and I used it every other night. I just spritz it on my face, spritz it on my chest, and it really does a nice job of giving you a really pretty glowy tan on your face and chest. If you have difficulty with tanner sticking there, you will love that. Products, I've seen these all over Instagram, Bali Body. And so this is the Ultra Dark Tanning Mousse. And I did try this one time. I had already had like self-tanner on, and so I put this over that without really exfoliating. So I didn't give it a fair shot, but it did not look cute. So I have to give it a fair shot when I'm like fully exfoliated, all my self-tan is taken off, and give it a go again. I can tell you it's one of those tanners that goes on kind of like ashy greenish color, and so you'll want to like let it develop and then rinse it off in the morning or whatever. I usually do mine in the at night, and then in the morning I'll rinse it off. So I'll have to give this a go again when I'm like fully prepped to self-tan. And then I got this one too, the 1 Hour Express in dark. So this one's also a mousse. So we'll give those ones a go. You guys know the Bondi Sands is my like tried and true ride or die, the tanning oil. I just love it so much because it wears off so evenly and nice that it's really hard. I have really high expectations because that one is just so good. For the summer, you guys know we have a pool, and I really like the Sun Bum and the 21 Sun & Co. tanning sunscreen. That's what I'm trying to say. But I do like to use like a tanning oil occasionally. I don't use it all that often, but I do use them sometimes. And Ted loves them, and so does pretty much everyone in Ted's family. They all get super tan though. I'm like a really pale girl. So this is the Bali Body their natural UVA, UVB, SPF 15 tanning oil, and this is the cocoa scent. They have one in like pineapple, they have a peach, watermelon, a couple different scents. And so I wanted to give this a try. It does have SPF 15 in it, and it smells delightful. So I thought that'd be nice for the days that I just am outside for just a little bit. And maybe it'll help me get a little bit of a natural tan. Okay, let's move into the makeup. So I purchased a couple palettes actually. Let me grab those. Okay, I purchased 4 new palettes. The first one, let's do Wet n Wild. They repackaged like all of their, I feel like there's like a real sharp glare here. They repackaged all of their little Wet n Wild color icons. So this one is the Walking on Eggshells, which they used to have as like a 3 pan, and then I think it turned to a 4 or 5 pan. So pretty. It's really beautiful. And I'll do like some swatches. I've been wearing these the last few days. I've been linking them on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, it's just Shades of Cassie. I've really stepped up my Instagram game. I've been using Like to Know It. I've been linking what makeup I'm wearing on my Like to Know It, my outfits. So I'd appreciate it if you followed me on both. I know not everybody uses Like to Know It, but it does have where all of my stuff is linked and stuff. But here's the swatches. Isn't that so funny? I've been using my phone. Okay. So obviously the lighter colors are pretty similar to my skin tone, so they don't show up super bright, but it's really pretty, and it's a very easy palette, like kind of a one and done. You have like kind of everything that you need here. You got a brow bone color, a nice transition shade if you are a probably like fair to light medium skin tone, some pretty shimmers, and then a deeper color to line your lash line or to deepen up the outer V. Wow. Words are really hard. Okay, and then this is the other one. This was in the color, what are you called? See, when you take the sticker off, then they go away. I don't know what this one's called because the sticker, it was on a sticker that was closing the package. But it's the more neutral one. If you look at them, you'll be able to figure out which one it is. So it's more neutral. It does kind of have like a purpley, deeper brown. You see this color right here? It's like a purpley brown. And it's so pretty. I've been dipping into this shade a lot. And again, this is another kind of one and done palette. It has the nice brow bone color. This one's kind of like a cooler brown, but it's really nice. These shimmers are absolutely beautiful. They are a little bit of a thicker formula, but I like to use like a little bit of setting spray and then pop those right on the eyes. They blend really beautifully, not a ton of fallout, and these are really inexpensive. So I really like these. I would be interested to see if there's any other colorways that I like. The next palette is also a very affordable palette. It's from Morphe. I don't really tend to buy Morphe palettes or really pretty much anything from Morphe. But the color palette looked really pretty. The Madison Beer channel surfing. She's a TikToker, I believe. I've seen her name, but I literally don't know what she does. But I thought it was super pretty. Am I wearing this today? I am wearing this today. So I have this light color here as my brow bone color. I have this color right here in my crease. Why do you want to focus on me? Why are you so obsessed with me, camera? Focus over here. Okay, and then I have, this is hard doing backwards, this color in my crease. And then I have this color, this one in my crease, and then that in my outer V. And then on my lid, what did I use? I used this one on my lid. And that's the eye look I have on today. Mats are really nice. They blend beautifully. The shimmers are a little stiffer, so they're a little bit hard to pick up, honestly, and I'll use my finger and I try to put it on. So the shimmers are okay. The mattes are really nice, but it was like $22, I think, for this palette, and you can use the $3.50 off 15 coupon code, which is, or coupon that they always have, which is really nice. Another KKW palette, which I really like her palettes. I get along with the formula really well. This one, I have almost all of her palettes actually, except for the new ones, the honey one, and then this other one, I can't remember what it's called, that just came out. This one's called Classic 2, and it's really pretty. I have worn this about 3 or 4 times. It's definitely more of a cooler toned palette. You have like a really taupey gunmetal color here. These are just beautiful. But again, this is kind of a one and done palette as well. You have a brow bone highlight. You have you know, 1 or 2, possibly 3, depending on your skin tone, transition shades, a little bit of a deeper shade, a liner or an outer V shade, and then your shimmers. So I think it's really pretty. I really like these. Her formulas are some of my favorite. The matte warm palette is one of my like favorite palettes ever. So the KK Beauty eyeshadow palettes, they're really, really nice. Okay, moving on. I picked up 2 of these. Where did she go? Where are you? Where did all the products go? They're all stuck in between my legs. Okay. So I picked up 2 of these lip injections. I mean, it's been years since I've tried the Too Faced lip injections. I think I tried like the original formula, but they have the lip, what are these ones? They're like the cream. Lip gloss, plumping lip gloss. Why can't I get the packaging right? Glossy Bossy and Soulmate are the colors that I picked up. I have been wearing Soulmate, which is this color here, and they're more of like a creamy formula. They're not uncomfortable. I feel like the old lip injection used to be really painful, and look how pretty that is. These don't seem that painful, and they have like a little bit of pigment. They kind of have like that glossy, juicy look to the lips. Really, really pretty. I have been enjoying these a lot. I haven't been on Too Faced PR in a really long time, so I don't know how long these have been out. And then this one's more of like a pinky mauve color. Okay, this one, so you can see the difference in the colors. This one is more of like a beigey color. This one's more pink. And this one's Glossy Bossy. And, you know, they smell good too. It's a pretty pink. It smells kind of like watermelon to me. Well, it's sweet like candy. So I picked these 2 up. I really like them. I don't find them to be uncomfortable, and they make your lips look super juicy. Okay, I also picked up 2 KKW Beauty, their glosses. This one is in the one Nude 2. I'll show you. And I also picked up 1.5. You guys know, if you watched my Best of Lips, her lip liners are like my favorite. Okay, so there is a good difference. You can see this is 2 and this is 1.5. 2 is more peachy and 1.5 is more pink. And these are really nice glosses. Let me see if they have a smell. No, they don't smell. They are a little on the stickier side. Okay, so the peachier one is 2 and 1.5 is that pinky one down on the bottom. They're really pretty and really glossy. So I really like those. I don't know why I'm getting into glosses because I feel like I don't typically wear glosses all that often, but they're beautiful. NYX, this is Milky Gloss in the shade Milk and Honey, and it's spelled like Hunny. This is pretty much a clear gloss, a little bit, has like a slight peachy, yeah, it's pretty clear, but it does have a slight peachy tint. Smells amazing, kind of like vanilla-y, and it feels so nice on the lips, and it's very, very like juicy looking. And then I picked up Nude Truffle from NYX, which I have been wanting to get this because I saw it on TikTok. And I might need my tweezers because aren't these nails so cute? They are Red Aspen. My friend, here, hold on, let me get tweezers and I'll tell you all about my nails. Sam got me into nails, Red Aspen nails. And so I'll have a link down below if you guys are interested. So I was like, sure, I'll like sign up. That way I can just buy nails. And so anyways, these ones are Red Aspen. I'll have a haul. I'm trying to figure out what haul to put it in. I might put it in a Sephora haul. The nails I got from Red Aspen. And then I ordered some from this company called Static Nails. So I'll show those too. So this is Nude Truffle from NYX. And it's a really nice nude. Oh, that's pretty. So any hoozle, that is all that I got from Ulta. I also had a bunch of back to MAC products. So that's like when you have 6 empty products that you can recycle and exchange. If you're at a MAC Pro store, you can get an eyeshadow, a lip gloss, or a lipstick. If you go to like a Macy's or a Nordstrom, I think you could just get a lipstick. Hug Me. And I surprisingly don't have this color. Isn't that pretty? It's actually what's on my lips today is Hug Me. Really pretty. And I have Whirl from MAC lip liner on, and then, oh, do I have Hug Me on? No, I think I have the Charlotte Tilbury. I wore this yesterday, but I have a Charlotte Tilbury color that will be in my Sephora haul. Okay, this color is Cherish, which I don't think I have this one either. Isn't that pretty? Just a really pretty, more of a neutral nude actually. It's not too pink, it's not too peach. And then this one is Blankety, which is like an old favorite. I used to use this all the time. This one up here, just a really nice lighter pinky nude, a little bit more of a cooler toned. And then we both got Blankety and we both got this Dreamy Gloss. And this is what it looks like. And it's just pink with some sparkles. And my guess is, yeah, it just shows up pretty clear with maybe like a little bit of sparkle. And then the eyeshadow I picked out was Saddle because, you know, it has been so long since I've had a new one. And I think mine's kind of like, I mean, mine's very old. And it's just a good classic eyeshadow, warm toned eyeshadow. Do you guys remember this was like what Jaclyn Hill used all the time? So that is it for my Ulta haul. Don't forget to subscribe and follow Sam if you aren't already. She's going to be uploading, I think she's just doing one big haul. I'm going to also film a Sephora haul, show you guys what I got from Sephora. She's also doing a Sephora haul. And then in that video, we'll show you the foundations that we're both going to try out and see how they work on each of our skin types. I have very normal skin, not acne prone, not sensitive. And she has very oily, sensitive, acne-prone skin. So that will be really exciting to see how each of those wear. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have you tried any of these products? Let me know your thoughts down below. If you have a good root lifter, please, please, please comment your favorite root lifter down in the comments because I desperately need one. And also tell me your favorite dry shampoo because I've been hooked on the Living Proof Perfect Day Dry Shampoo for years. And I would love to know your guys' favorite dry shampoo as well. So thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! In the next one.